The first question I'm usually asked when someone reaches out to me is, can you make this part? Most of the time we will get a print, a PDF drawing, and that's the best way for me to know immediately if we could make it, along with having the material specs and the volume that you're looking for. We can take a look at our machinery. Does it fit that machine? And is the volume there where we think it'll be a feasible quote for you?
What if you can't make it?
Honestly, I have a number of other manufacturers that I know, either because I make parts for them or they make parts for us, that we might recommend. Part of Crawford's secret is Dad is good at tinkering, just like my grandfather was, and figuring out how to make things work. And that could include adapting a machine to the part. So if it doesn't work, we make it work. The bottom line is, call me, because either way, we can help you.
We make wire form stampings and four-slide precision, built to your specs with a master's vision. Whatever the metal, whatever the quirk, at Crawford Manufacturing, we always make it work.